Top 60 sound effects for editing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna find that. I'm gonna find that shit that nigga Critic was gatekeeping. I'll find it. I'm gonna find it right now. Watch. What situation can this shit be used for, bro? There's none of these just even work. Awkward moment. Oh, that's a good one. Awkward moment for, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas, maybe some awkward shit. Like, look, I did like, yo, Clout, are you really Clout? Wait, no, yo, Clout, are you Clout? that shit be hard. That should be hard as fucking in like a YouTube short. YouTube short, hard. NPC streamer clip, Reddit humor. Now we need to go to YouTube shorts, bro. Ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be hella YouTube shorts niggas. They'll be like, yo, those who they're here, those who are here. Or you know how YouTube shorts be like putting like an X next to shit. They be like funny X, money with a check. You know what I'm saying, chat? Yeah, I know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Y'all fuck with YouTube shorts. If you know, you know. Niggas talking some way you just don't know.
Keep it up and down.
Yo, blinking, okay. Magic spells. I fuck with that. Yo, this like some shit that you would hear at the beginning of like an epic ass vid. Vine boom slowed. I be on 808s now, gang. No more vine booms. Man falls downstairs. Okay, please stand by. Ultra Instinct opening. Okay, the one thing about this one, bro, you could use this if you were like doing some epic ass shit. You have to have something like some shit like nobody expected, bro. Nobody could expect it, and then you can have some shit like this. The good ending. What song is this? That song's so beautiful. Can I register? It's cool. I mean, I feel like the first one's better. Which one's better? Catch Treasure 1 or 2? 4 the best one. 4 the best one. Like a team 4, chat. Cinematic boom. We on 808s, nigga. Rest Twitch. What the fuck? Yo, this might be new sauce. We might use this one.
Thank you.
Discord join. Discord leave. Discord notification. Oh shit! I thought. What's like for a TikTok edit? Oh shit! Robot rock. Like this could be cool if you thinking like it's like a. Let me think. If it was like a nigga. Riz. God damn. Travis Scott. Ooh, who was there for that, bro? It's like da da da. That's God's plan. Oh, that's Drake. I'm fried. Punch anime. Okay. Go break. It's cool. Someone's translated this shit to English, please. I don't know what this is. Gay. I guess you say some gay shit. Pipe falling. What's that? Oh, that's like bits and shit.
No.
I think I got OK Mara instead of that shit.
No.
Okay, not terrible. Flashbang loud. I feel like this is a little too loud though. Like if I see something I'm scrolling, I'm ending it. All right, it's a good video. Ain't gonna lie, it's solid. I would low key. My top 3 chat was probably the cash register 4, probably Vine Boom slowed, even though I'm on 808s now, and probably let me look back. Oh, the French shit, yeah, this shit is top 3. That's top 3 chat.